Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to kick a player from server in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually press the enter key on your keyboard to open up chat, and to use it as a console you just type in / and you can go ahead and type in the command. So I'll come here and just type in help to show you the kick command and what it entails. So we'll scroll down here and we'll find K. As you can see, we have kick, and all you need to do is just type in / kick and the player's name. And you can send this to chat as well by clicking here, and then you just type in the player's name. So this player is right now attacking me, so we're gonna kick him. There you go. We'll just go ahead and type in his name and just go ahead and press enter, and he will literally be kicked. We're gonna give him another chance, but that is how to kick a player from a server in Hytale. Now if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.